Cleaning has never been easier with modern technology. The best robot mop delivers hands-free, sparkling results on all floor types. Enjoy effortless maintenance, precise navigation, and efficient performance that keeps your home spotless while saving you valuable time every day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Roborock Q7 M5 Plus Robot Mop. The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus is a powerhouse for hands-free cleaning, designed for homes where efficiency and thoroughness matter most. Equipped with a massive 2.7-liter sealed dust bag, this robot mop can run for up to 7 weeks without emptying, making it perfect for busy households or homes with pets. Its 10,000 Pascal hyperforce suction lifts dirt, dust, and pet hair effortlessly from both hard floors and carpets, while dual anti-tangle brushes prevent long-haired pets' fur from clogging the system. The mop feature ensures even fine dust is captured, with 3 adjustable water flow settings that let you tailor cleaning intensity for different floor types. Navigation is handled by the PreSense LiDAR system, which maps your home with incredible precision, allowing the Q7 M5 Plus to follow optimized cleaning paths and avoid obstacles. Users can control every aspect via the roborock app, whether adjusting schedules, water flow, or vacuuming intensity. Number 2. Eufy Omni C20 Robot Mop. The eufy Omni C20 is a versatile, all-in-one robot mop designed for users who value automation and thorough cleaning. Its integrated station handles auto-emptying, mop washing, and drying, allowing for fully hands-free operation. The station uses room-temperature air to dry the mop and features transparent water tanks for easy monitoring, eliminating guesswork during cleaning cycles. With Mop Master technology, the C20's mop rotates at 180 RPM with 6 N of pressure to lift tough stains, while the dual sweeping and mopping modules ensure simultaneous, efficient cleaning. Its 7,000 PA suction, rolling brush, and side brush allow the robot to pick up crumbs, dirt, and pet hair effectively across a variety of floors. The compact 3.35-inch profile allows the Omni C20 to clean under low furniture, desks, and tight spaces that are often skipped by other robots. Users can control the device via the app for scheduling and intensity adjustments, providing convenience and control at all times. The combination of powerful suction, advanced mopping technology. Number 3. Shark Matrix Plus Robot Mop. The Shark Matrix Plus offers a hybrid approach to floor cleaning, combining ultra-powerful suction with sonic mopping to handle both carpets and hard floors simultaneously. This robot mop empties its own dustbin, providing up to 30 days of debris storage without manual intervention. The Matrix Clean feature uses a precision grid system to cover every area multiple times, ensuring a more thorough clean, especially on carpets. Clean Edge Detect technology targets edges and corners, using blasts of air to sweep debris into the cleaning path and delivering up to 50% better edge cleaning. HEPA filtration and an anti-allergen seal capture 99.97% of dust particles down to 0.3 microns, making it a strong choice for allergy-prone households. The device automatically recharges and resumes cleaning where it left off, minimizing interruptions and maximizing efficiency. The combination of high suction, sonic mopping, and intelligent navigation makes Shark Matrix Plus ideal for large homes, pet owners, and those who want thorough cleaning without constant monitoring. Number 4. ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 Robot Mop. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 stands out as a feature-rich robot mop ideal for larger homes or multi-floor spaces. Its Power Boost GaN fast charging system allows rapid recharging while maintaining continuous cleaning cycles. The self-washing Osmo Roller 2.0 with TrueEdge 3.0 scrubs floors more effectively than previous models, reaching walls and corners precisely.
With the blast suction system producing 19,500 PA and Zero Tangle 3.0 brushes, the X11 handles pet hair, debris, and dust without tangling, making it suitable for homes with pets or carpets. TruePath's four-wheel climbing allows the robot to traverse small steps and thresholds effortlessly, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning across multiple rooms. The smart wet and dry clean system lifts the roller mop when carpets are detected, preventing wet damage and switching automatically between dusting and mopping tasks. The Eco agent intelligently adapts to your cleaning habits.
Number 5. iRobot Braava Jet M6 Robot Mop. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is engineered for precision mopping and sweeping on hardwood, tile, and stone floors. Its jet spray feature tackles sticky messes, kitchen grease, and grime efficiently, while the maximized edge design ensures thorough coverage along walls and corners. Utilizing iAdapt 3.0 navigation with V-Slam technology, the Braava Jet M6 maps your home accurately, allowing for systematic cleaning patterns that avoid missed spots. Imprint Smart Mapping enables the device to learn your floor plan and remember cleaning zones, ensuring repeated tasks are handled consistently and efficiently. Users can control the robot via the iRobot app or through voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, offering convenient scheduling and remote operation. The automatic recharge and resume function ensures that even larger areas are cleaned without interruption. This robot mop excels at maintaining daily floor hygiene, offering hands-free, precise, and reliable cleaning for busy households. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.